Having good understanding of a data set in our data science project is really crucial. And our data set comes with many different type of data, including numerical, categorical, boolean, date format, etc. In this short video, we will understand how you can explore the categorical data. As you can see in this data set over here, department is a categorical data with categories or labels: product, HR, product, data science, marketing, etc. Here in this education level column, we have high school, bachelor's, PhD, master's. That means this provides the categories of education level that employees have pursued. Department column provides what are the different departments that employees work into. The weekday, this category provides all 7 days of the week. Let's learn how you can explore the categorical data using value counts function in Python. It is simple and one-liner. How to do that is simple. df and provide the column name. Let's begin with education level. And you want to count the values in that education level column. All you have to do is value counts, open close parentheses, and hit enter. And you have now the count of education levels in your data set. That comes with bachelor's degree holders are 277 out of 1,000 records. Master's degree holder are 249 out of 1,000. High school are 239 out of 1,000. PhDs are 235 out of 1,000. This is great. Now let's check for the different column, which is department column in our data. So let's pass on that department column and simply say value counts, open close parentheses, and hit run. Now you have the employees that work in the different department, including HR 178, data science 177, sales 173, etc. We have got the count. Now I want to say what percentage of total employees work in HR department. How do I do that? And I want to say what percentage of total employee work in the marketing department in the company. Now to do that, it's the same approach. df, the data frame, dot department, and pass on same value counts. But all you have to pass on is normalize equals true. That means it will normalize to the ratio. And you want to get the percentage. If you hit just like that, you will get the ratio. Out of 1, 0.178 work in HR. Out of 1 or 100%, the 0.177 employees work in the data science department. You want to get the percentage to avoid any confusion. Simply, you have to pass .mul, that stands for multiply, with 100. That will bring that into the percentage. So 17.8% employees work in HR department, data science 17.7, sales 17.3, engineering 16.4, product 16.0 or 16, and marketing 14.8. And that is all. This is what exactly we wanted to accomplish in this video, understanding that how you can count the values of a categorical column and also count the ratio or percentage of the category out of total data records or total employees in this case. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Data Speaks for another exciting videos in the channel. Thank you for watching.